Hello mga Jaconatics natin dyan. Okay, how are you today? So again, this is your tutor Jaco at your service as always. Okay. Well, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your branding watermark into a subscribed button. Okay, because it's really, really important that in your video alone, um, the watermark in your video will serve as also as an avenue for subscription. Okay, this is actually very good for small YouTubers like me, um, to really have a lot of avenue for subscription. Okay, for a new subscriber. Like for example, if a viewer, if a new viewer watches your video, meron na siya agad option or makikita niya sa branding mo ang subscribe button. Kasi nga, importante na once your new viewer already watch your video, immediately the call to action is to subscribe, okay? To let your viewers subscribe to your channel, okay? Now, what am I talking about? Okay, so now we are here in my YouTube channel. Okay, so again, disclaimer lang po, hindi po tayo big YouTuber, okay? I'm just really trying to apply what I have learned from big YouTubers, okay? Established YouTubers here in YouTube, and then I try to really apply what I have learned, okay? So again, my channel is, I made this channel like 2 months ago already, okay? And when I follow all this advice from sikat na mga YouTubers, I really see good results, okay? So again, your branding, like for example, we will open a video of mine, okay? So this one. So like for example, branding, okay? Watermark. So ano yung watermark? Dead air or itong nakikita nyo dito, this is actually your watermark. Okay, most of us, especially if you're already a big YouTuber, yung mukha nila yung, or caricature ng mukha nila yung nilalagay sa watermark, as watermark. Okay, or branding watermark. So, ito makikita ninyo, if you will hover your mouse, okay, to this watermark, makikita ninyo is subscribe. Okay? But yung mga viewers na hindi alam nila ano yung watermark, hindi nila hino-hover yung mouse nila. Ang nakikita lang talaga nila like this, okay? So, only your face or your logo or your profile pic na nilagay mo as a watermark. So they will not have this idea of subscribing. Especially hindi naman lahat ng mga viewers natin alam saan yung subscribe button, okay? Andito lang naman 'yan, hindi ba yung subscribe button sa baba ng video natin, okay? If you will have them we will also have our own call to action na part of your video, the subscribe button and notification bell. So again, for small YouTubers like us, yung mga newbies, mga beginners, we really need to make an avenue, an easy avenue for them to subscribe to your channel. Okay? So mas maganda na dito pa lang habang nanonood sila ng video, mayroon ka ng call to action with your watermark. So gagawin natin ito, instead of placing my profile pic here, I will change it to a subscribe watermark, or it's like a subscribe button watermark. Okay, so watch till the very end of this video because I'm gonna teach you how to do it, how to make a subscribe button to make it as your YouTube branding watermark. All right, again, if you are new to this channel, just click subscribe button and the notification bell, okay, so that you will be updated of my newest uploads here in my channel. And if you like this video, click like. And if you want some shout out or questions, if you have questions or suggestions, you can freely comment down below. All right, so now the first thing that we want to do here is of course to create the subscribe button. Okay, so now we will go to Canva. Okay, so again, Canva is a very helpful tool for YouTubers like me, like us. Okay? Because andyan na, no? Andito na lahat yung pwede mong gawin. Kahit you only have like free account, ang dami ng mga free elements that you can apply. You can already have your channel trailer, banner art, you know what? And thumbnails most especially. So magagawa mo na dito kahit free lang yung account mo. But of course, Canva has paid subscription, okay, premium account, and also enterprise subscription. Like you can use it in your business, especially marketing videos for the business. All right. If you don't have an account of Canva, just go to the description box. Okay, the box man. Just go to the description of this video. I have already there the link to for you to sign up. Okay, really guys, this is really really awesome. This is an awesome tool for us. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is to make a subscription button. Okay, so just create a design, or you can have logo, or you can also choose a Facebook post or something. But in this case, I'm gonna choose a logo. Okay, so again, you have to have a file name. Okay, so let's say watermark. Okay, watermark. Ayan. So, first thing, since ang theme ng YouTube is red, so we need to choose a red background. Okay? So, ayan. So, hanapin mo pag i-click mo yan, lalabas ito. Okay? And then, click it. And then, you choose the red color. Okay? Kung hindi ka kontento sa pagka-red, you can also increase. Okay? Pero ako, kontento na ako sa pagka-red nito. And then, after that, you need to also have an element. You need to have a box, okay? So you go to lines and shapes, and then I think this one's good already, okay? And then the color, you need to change it to white, all right? Ayan, okay. Ayan, so, yan. And then, after that, center na siya, okay na yan. And again, you need to choose another shape, okay? So, I think, hanap tayo ng triangle, parang ano siya, button. Balik tayo sa taas, okay? Ito. And make it, in red color. Ayan. And then, adjust mo yung size. And then, you try to twist. Ayan, okay? So, parang ang dali lang, guys, di ba? Ayan. Okay? So, ang dali-dali lang niyang gawin. Ayan. So, meron ka ng subscribe button. Okay? So, para malaman talaga ng viewers mo na subscribe, you put a text, okay, in it. Okay? So, you say subscribe. Okay? Type subscribe. And then afterwards, okay, again, lakihan mo para makita talaga nila na subscribe button yan. Okay? Since red yan, you can change also the color of the text into white para mas klaro. You can also adjust, okay? Kung gusto mo talagang lakihan, ayan, adjust pa natin siya ng konti. And there you go, okay? Ganyan. And then, laki. Mas malaki pa talaga para mas makita nila na, oh, subscribe button talaga yan. Okay. So, ganyan. Okay. So, ayan. So, that is already our unsubscribe button. Okay, all after this, di ba? Dali lang. Okay, after this, you need to download. PNG yung ginagamit ko kasi mas ano siya, mas high quality image. Pwede naman JPG, mas konti lang yung ano niya, pero mas pinipili ko yung PNG. So you just have to click download. Okay? Again, guys, this is free. Papakita ko sa inyo na I can download it for free. Okay? And then I just need to select the file where I will, with this one. Okay? And there you go. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. Nakikita nyo naman, it's already been saved. Okay? So, wala akong binayad. It's free. Alright? So, now, let's go back to my channel. Okay? Since ito, ang nakalagay na branding dito is my profile pic or my logo in YouTube. So, papalitan natin siya. So, you need to go back to the YouTube studio. And then click customization. And then as you can see, meron tayong layout dito. You go to branding, okay? So under your channel customization, you have layout, branding, and then basic info. Okay, so you go to branding, and then you go to video watermark. Okay? So kung makikita ninyo, ito yung watermark ko. Itong, profile pic ko dito. And then you just have to change it. Ganyan. And then hanapin mo kung saan mo sinave yung iyong subscribe button. Okay? Hanapin natin. Hanapin. Okay, so I think it's better to have this one. Okay? There you go. Okay? So, napili na natin. Yan na yung ating ginawa kanina. So, that's there. Okay? So, there you go. So, you're able to change it. Make it sure na ano siya, entire video para makita talaga siya, no? The entire video. So, let's click publish. Ayan. Okay? So, para makita mo na umi-effect na siya, you go to the channel, to your channel. Okay? There you go. Okay? So, ayan. Ayan na siya. That's how, again, of course, how to make your channel really, really good. Okay? Again, like I said, in your video, dapat meron ka ng avenue for subscription for your new viewers. Okay? Para diretso na subscribe na agad sila. So that's it for today, guys. And thank you, by the way, for watching. And if you are new to this channel, again, click the subscribe button. I don't know kung saan ako ituturo. Just click the subscribe button there. There. Okay, here. Okay. Click the subscribe button, or I think it's somewhere here. Just click the subscribe button, and of course the notification bell so that you will be updated with my new uploads. Okay, and if you like this video, just click like, and also if you want to shout out, if you want some suggestions or comments, just leave a message below. All right, so thank you for watching, and that's all for today, and looking forward to seeing more of you here. Okay, mga Jarconatics, mga Kaingo, and lahat-lahat na. Okay, so bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you very soon. Bye-bye.